Hello everyone, my name is Eddie and I represent 12 Hour Stock Tips. I trust that everyone is doing well today. Here's a question for you. Are you on this channel for entertainment or for the potential of making money within one day? If you chose entertainment, this is the wrong channel. You need to find a channel that has like a cute video of a cat playing on the piano with like 10,000 views to it. That's the channel you want to be on. If, however, you're here to find a pathway to making gains on your money, this is the right channel. What 12 Hour Stock Tips does is generate stock tips typically on a daily basis, and it's usually 5 stock tips. Now, not all stock tips are going to generate money. That's the nature of the beast. However, the thing to take note of, if you look at our history of stock tips for January, February, and most of March, you'll notice that the majority of our tips make money in less than a day in the stock market. In my personal opinion, based on the math, looking back and forth, the ratio is about 2 to 3. Those are your odds of making money with our tips based on historical information. 2 out of 3. You may want to ask yourself, am I a financial wizard? Just how do I get these tips every single day that mostly make money? Well, the secret is I'm not a finance guy. I'm a computer guy. And these tips are found with using a technique called algorithmic trading. What it basically means is that a computer is analyzing the stock market, thousands of stocks, quickly, and finding certain stocks that have the potential to make money quickly. The average person may not have heard of algorithmic trading, but the simple fact is it works. The people who mainly use algorithmic trading are Fortune 500 companies that are worth well over $100 million, and that's why the average person hasn't heard of this technique. However, with enough tenacity and skill, it is possible to make a program that finds these little golden gems that make money. Again, I am not a financial expert. However, I do have opinions that historically have been proven to make money very quickly. The use of these tips is not for long-range trading or mid-range trading. It's for intraday trading or for day traders. What we typically do is put out our tips after the stock market is closed for the day, and then that gives you plenty of time, approximately 12 hours, to look at the companies, see which one fits your criteria the best. In other words, your choices are narrowed down to the best winners possible, and you can choose which company you want to put your money in. Now, there is another level to this where I pick out the top 2 of the 5 that I think have the highest potential of making money that day. If you're interested in that service, just contact me via 12.hour.stock.tips@gmail.com. Usually twice a week I'll check my email and then we can go from there. Meanwhile, take advantage of the free tips I'm offering on this YouTube channel. Max gains seen from the last tips. PHII showed no gains at all. They're virtually flat or lost money. BIOS, they had a maximum potential of making 11.5% in one day. BPTH made a maximum of 4.1%. SELB made 8.9% maximum profit. LMB made a maximum of 4.7%. Keep in mind that the average U.S. stock investor makes 2.4% a year. Look at these numbers. Is it really worth waiting a year playing it safe rather than taking a list of tips that have the advantage against the stock market? Think about that. Tomorrow's tips are NH, AKTX, FLKS, ASFI, and JMU. Many of you may be wondering, why don't I talk about the company's names, what the company is doing, and the reason why I think that these companies will be making money in the next day. That is really something a financial advisor does, because their experience is based on mid to long range stock market investment. These tips are really based on mathematical analysis and technical analysis. Some people may scoff at that, but the numbers don't lie. You have a better advantage against the stock market by using these tips. Thank you very much.